Hey, Coach Craig here with Svelte Training, and today we have a new Svelte challenge for you. We have, over the next 10 days, a total body fat burn challenge. It's gonna be amazing. Today is day one, so let's get started. Knee hugs, 3, 2, 1, go. Stand up nice and tall, arms extended to the side. We're just bringing one knee up and bringing our hands to meet it. You can feel free to actually pull on that leg to really get a nice crunch, but we just want a nice rhythm going here. Really pull from your core. Strong, stable base, and extend as wide as you can, and then really crunch over for the knee hug. Great job. We're gonna jump right into our good mornings. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. You're gonna stand, feet shoulder width apart, hands behind your head. Then you're gonna focus on hinging from your hips, get to parallel to the ground. You're gonna feel the stretch in the back of your legs and your lower back, and then pull with your hip flexors to get right back up to the standing position. So feel free to go whichever cadence you wanna go, faster, slower. You can also stay at the bottom to really maximize that stretch, but have fun with it. And up, great job. Ice skaters is next. Get yourself ready. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. I love this exercise because it is so dynamic and it's a great full body exercise. The goal is to shift your weight from one leg to the next, so you don't necessarily have to leave the ground, or hop rather. However, stepping over to each leg, get a nice rhythm, use your whole body, really twist, get your obliques working in there, and you're gonna have a great time. Great job. Last, we have our IYTs. Let's finish strong. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Even though this primarily works out your arms, this exercise starts from the ground up. So really screw your feet into the ground. My knees are slightly bent. My core is tight. Extend as far as you can in front of you with your fingertips. Get into the I position, bring it right overhead, then the Y, then the T. This is really gonna help work out your shoulders. You're gonna feel the burn, but by squeezing with your core, by pressing with your feet, this is going to be felt throughout your whole body. Great job, first set done. Grab some water if you need to, but we're gonna jump into our second set right now. Knee hugs, 3, 2, 1, go. Good mornings, 3, 2, 1, go. Ice skaters, 3, 2, 1, go. IYTs, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. Second set is done. One more set to go. Again, feel free to pause, stop, grab some water, but we are gonna keep chugging with this last set. Let's finish strong. Here we go. Knee hugs, 3, 2, 1, go. Good mornings, 3, 2, 1, go. Ice skaters, 3, 2, 1, go. IYTs, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. Day one is done. Give yourself one of these and one of these. You earned it. Tune in tomorrow for Coach Gabby for day 2 of our 10-day total body fat burn challenge. This is gonna be a fun one. Tell your friends about it, maybe do it together. This is a great way just to really kick off this year and really feel like you're staying on top of your goals and your health journey and stuff like that. So without further ado, I will see you on day 3. Have a great one. Peace. Have fun.